Every fashion brand on earth works the same way. They design clothes 6 months before you can buy them. They guess what you will want. They manufacture millions of units. They ship everything to warehouses. They pray they guessed right. And then there is Zara. Zara sees something trending on a street in Milan on a Monday. By Friday, the design is in production. In 15 days, it is hanging in a store near you. Not 6 months, 15 days. The entire fashion industry looked at that and said, how? And the answer turned out to be one of the most quietly brilliant logistics operations ever built. Here's the thing most people get wrong about Zara. They think it's a fashion company. It's not. It's a logistics company that sells clothes. Zara's headquarters in Arteixo, Spain is not just a design studio. It's a command center. 365 designers working in real time, not sketching what might be fashionable next spring, reacting to what is already happening on streets, on social media, in stores right now. The moment a design is approved, and that decision happens fast, we're talking days, not weeks, the supply chain moves. And here's where it gets interesting. While every other fashion brand ships production to cheap factories in Bangladesh or Vietnam, Zara keeps more than half of its manufacturing within a few hours of headquarters. Spain, Portugal, Morocco, close enough that a production decision made on Monday can be on a truck by Wednesday. That proximity costs more per garment, significantly more, and Zara does it deliberately because speed is worth more than savings. Now, the money mystery. Zara does not advertise, almost never. No billboards, no celebrity campaigns, no Super Bowl spots. The founder, Amancio Ortega, built one of the most valuable fashion empires on earth without spending what his competitors spend on a single season of marketing. Where does that money go instead? Into the supply chain, into the logistics hub in Zaragoza, a building so automated it has underground monorail links connecting it to 11 factories within a 16-kilometer radius, into RFID tags on every single garment, so Zara knows exactly where each item is from factory to fitting room in real time. And into the most counterintuitive inventory strategy in retail. Zara deliberately makes less than it could sell, on purpose. Small batches, frequent deliveries, every store refreshed twice a week, not because Zara can't make more, because scarcity is the product. When you walk into Zara and see something you like, you buy it today, because you know it will not be there next week. That urgency is engineered. Every delivery schedule, every batch size, every empty shelf is a calculated decision. The competitor spending 6 months guessing what you want ends up with warehouses full of things you didn't want. Markdowns, losses, wasted freight. Zara never guessed. It watched, it moved, it restocked before you knew you needed it. 15 days from street trend to store shelf. No advertising budget, no excess inventory, no wasted freight. Just the most efficient fashion supply chain ever built, disguised as a clothing shop. Now you know why your local Zara always feels like it has something new. It does, every single week. Cargo Intel, every week. Subscribe.